Charlene May Gonzales Bonanmulak, born May 1, 1974, is a Filipino actress, media personality, and beauty pageant title holder. Gonzales won the Binibining Pilipinas Universe 1994 title and represented her country at the Miss Universe 1994 pageant held in Manila, where she won the Best National Costume Award and was one of the top 6 finalists. She is also a talk show host and a commercial model. Charlene May Gonzales Bonan was born to actor Bernard Bonan and model Elvira Gonzales on May 1, 1974. Among her siblings is actor Richard Bonan, and her cousin is Bagets actor J.C. Bonan. She is the aunt of Glenn Gonzales of the boy band Jeremiah. She is of Spanish ancestry and a maternal descendant of the prominent Peminsuan family of Angeles City. She attended Bishop Amat Memorial High School in La Puente, California, finishing in 1992. She earned a degree in BS Psychology from the University of Santo Tomas. She married Filipino actor Aga Mulak on May 28, 2001. They have twin children born on November 5, 2001, named Andres and Atasha, who are both actors and models. Gonzales won the Binibining Pilipinas Universe 1994 title and represented her country at the Miss Universe 1994 pageant held in Manila, where she won the Best National Costume Award and landed in the top 6. When asked by the host about the number of islands in the Philippines, she boldly asked back, "High tide or low tide?" She hosted the dance program Easy Dancing on ABC5 and Keep on Dancing from on ABS-CBN and Viva television movies on Viva TV. She hosted the show At Home Ka Dito, a Philippine lifestyle program airing on ABS-CBN, adding to its branding as a show is the introduction of a reality TV treatment to its features, pioneering what may be a new trend, the reality TV lifestyle show. In 1994, Gonzales got her first film role with Fernando Poe Jr. in Epimico Velasco, NBI. She also starred in Ben Dilubio with Raymond Bong Revilla Jr. in 1998, Restbook with Philip Salvador, Bobby Barbers, Perak with Philip Salvador in 1997, and Iligpit. See Bobby Ortega, marking Bungo 2 with Rudy Fernandez in 1995. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.